Traditional education has a habit of breaking the world into neat, separate boxes. You take a class on technology, then you take one on entrepreneurship, then another on project management, and maybe a seminar on marketing. But out in the real world, industry doesn't work in silos. Real organizations expect you to draw on all of these disciplines at the exact same time to deliver actual business outcomes. This creates a massive disconnect. Students graduate with a head full of academic theory. The moment they step into an unscripted business environment, they freeze. They know the concepts, but lack the experience to apply them when variables aren't controlled. Curious. So we ask, what if students didn't just study AI in a classroom? What if they learned it by helping real small businesses solve real operational problems? To produce graduates ready for business, we need to leave the simulated case studies behind. We have to trade the safety of the classroom for the stakes of the real world. This approach is called the AI Venture Studio. At its core, it operates on a very simple premise. Students learn AI by solving real problems for real small businesses. Looking at this workflow map of the studio model, you can see we take those separate academic subjects and converge them into one integrated practicum. It forces students to navigate real businesses, real customers, and real technological enablement all at once. To see how this works in practice, let's look at a typical team. Meet Maya, a paralegal who understands office bottlenecks but has never written a line of code, and Marco, a software developer who knows Python and APIs inside out but has never sat across a table from a client. Their very first assignment has no syllabus and no hypothetical dataset. They have to identify a local small business, reach out professionally, and secure a face-to-face meeting entirely on their own. Out in the market, Marco's coding skills are useless without Maya's ability to communicate value, and Maya's insights require Marco's technical execution. They have to rely on each other to navigate the dynamics of a real business relationship. Let's say they secure a meeting with a local law firm. Maya and Marco sit down with the owner, but they don't pitch software. Instead, they map out exactly how the firm operates day to day. They are applying the program's most critical philosophy: diagnosis first, prescription second. Before anyone mentions tools like Claude or ChatGPT, the students have to understand the business on a structural level. Through discovery, they traced manual workflows, identifying exactly where repetitive paperwork piles up. Now they conduct an AI opportunity assessment, evaluating exactly where deploying a targeted AI solution can create financial value by clearing the backlog. Writing the code to solve a problem is straightforward once you know what to build. Identifying the correct business problem to solve in the first place is a much rarer and far more valuable skill. During the execution phase, Maya and Marco take their assessment and they build a working AI prototype designed specifically to attack that operational bottleneck at the law firm. Then comes the test. They present the prototype to the firm owner, gather real-world critiques, and iterate on the solution until it functions seamlessly in their daily operations. While they are focused on building the tool, a hidden curriculum is running in the background. Without realizing it, these students are masterfully integrating business analysis, consulting, project management, and executive presentation. The objective of the Venture Studio isn't to train people to be pure software developers. The emphasis is on teaching them how to deliver measurable business value by using the best tools available. The working software they leave behind with the client is highly useful. But the actual product of this entire workflow is the integrated capability built permanently within the student. Graduates leave with actual customer experience, a working AI prototype, and a professional portfolio artifact. This vision document defines the AI Venture Studio as a repeatable pedagogical operating model, ready for institutional adoption. YEDI is recognized as a leader in entrepreneurship education, making it the natural home to scale this framework and connect local small businesses with capable student teams. This is a blueprint for teaching entrepreneurship in the age of artificial intelligence. It's practical, credible, and built entirely around creating real value for real people. Redefining education as capability building produces graduates who don't just observe the future economy, but gain the specific skills required to build it.